Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Gavin, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Henson, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Gavin Henson plays for Wales. There's a new day dawning. The Welsh rugby this Saturday morning. How I long to be there in the Millennium Stadium. With his silver boots on, and his spiky hair. See his crunching tackles, send them up in the air. I know a man named Gavin Henson. He kicks goals with his silver boots on, and wait till he pulls the red shirt on. Gavin Henson plays for Wales. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Gavin, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Henson, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Gavin Henson plays for Wales. There's a full house singing all the joy this Welsh team is bringing. They're breathing dragon's fire with the strength of Owen Glyndŵr. They can pass and tackle, explode like powder kegs. Not streamlined like Gavin, cause he shakes his legs. I know a man named Gavin Henson. He kicks goals with his silver boots on, and wait till he pulls the red shirt on. Gavin Henson plays for Wales. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Gavin, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Henson, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Gavin Henson plays for Wales. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Gavin, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Henson, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Gavin Henson plays for Wales. Gavin Henson plays for Wales.